Welcome, my dear students. Today we will do competency based questions related to areas related to circles. CBSE Class 10 Maths. Question number 9. A ceiling fan has three wings. Find the length of arc described between two consecutive wings and also find area of sector. Length of each wing is 1.20 meter. So sketch of the fan is like this. These are three wings and it is the circle made by the wings. So solution, given length of each wing is equal to 1.20 meter. Ceiling fan has three wings. We know that wings are equally spaced. Therefore, central angle is equal to 360 degree. 360 degree upon 3 is equal to 120 degree. So we have to find out this arc length between two consecutive wings. So radius of circle formed by wings of fan is equal to length of each wing is equal to 1.20 meter. Now length of arc described between two consecutive wings is equal to theta upon 360 degree into 2 pi r is equal to, now put the values, so 120 degree upon 360 degree into 2 into 22 upon 7 into 1.20 is equal to 1 by 3 into 44 upon 7 into 1.20 is equal to 44 into 0.40 upon 7. यहाँ पर इसको जो 44 इसका मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया और इसको इससे डिवाइड कर दिया तो 1/3. So is equal to 17.6 upon 7 is equal to 2.51 meter. Now area of sector formed by two consecutive wings is equal to theta upon 360 degree into pi r square is equal to 120 degree upon 360 degree into 22 upon 7 into 1.20 square is equal to, इसको इससे डिवाइड किया 1/3 into 22 upon 7 into 1.20 square equal to 22 upon 7 into 0.40 into 1.20, 3 से इसको डिवाइड कर दिया is equal to 21.12 upon 7 is equal to 3.02 meter square. Now we will do the next question. ABCDE is a regular hexagon. ABCDEF with vertices A, B, C, D, E, F and as the centers, इनको सेंटर मान के सर्किल्स ऑफ सेम रेडियस, ये सर्किल बनाए हमने, सेम रेडियस 7 सेंटीमीटर आर ड्रॉन. फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द शेडेड पोर्शन शोन इन द गिवन फिगर. ये शेडेड पोर्शन का हमको एरिया निकालना है. सेकेंड पार्ट, also find the area if hexagon is not regular. So solution, given radius is equal to 7 centimeter, each angle of regular hexagon is equal to, so this is the formula, sum of all angles upon number of sides is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree upon n. So n is the number of sides is equal to 6 minus 2 into 180 degree upon 6 is equal to 120 degree. So this is equal to angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, angle E, angle F. Now area of shaded region is equal to 6 into area of one sector. इसी एक सेक्टर का हम एरिया निकाल लें और 6 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दें. So is equal to 6 theta upon 360 degree into pi r square is equal to, now put the values, so 6 into 120 degree upon 360 degree into 22 upon 7 into 7 square is equal to 308 centimeter square. So now we will do the second part. If it is not a regular hexagon, then all angles of hexagon are not equal. Let they are theta 1, theta 2, theta 3, theta 4, theta 5 and theta 6. We know sum of all angles of a hexagon is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree is equal to 6 minus 2 into 180 degree is equal to 720 degree. That is theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3 plus theta 4 plus theta 5 plus theta 6 is equal to 720 degree. So now area of all 6 sectors is equal to theta 1 upon 360 degree plus theta 2 upon 360 degree plus theta 3 upon 360 degree plus theta 4 upon 360 degree plus theta 5 upon 360 degree plus theta 6 upon 360 degree into pi r square. Pi r square. So is equal to pi r square upon 360 degree in bracket theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3 plus theta 4 plus theta 5 plus theta 6 बिकॉज हमने इनको कॉमन ले लिया इज इक्वल टू 22 इंटू 7 स्क्वायर अपॉन 7 इंटू 360 डिग्री इंटू 720 डिग्री बिकॉज सम ऑफ all angles is equal to 720 degree is equal to 308 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. इसके अलावा आपके पास कोई ऐसा क्वेश्चन हो तो आप सॉल्व नहीं कर पा रहे हैं तो आप कमेंट्स में लिखिए, मैं उसका वीडियो बना के अपलोड कर दूंगा. इसी के साथ बेस्ट ऑफ लक. थैंक यू.